In today's video, we will learn about the topic that is classification of solution. The solutions are classified first on the basis of amount of the solute in the solvent, and the second is based on the size of the solute particle. In today's video, we will discuss about the first type of classification, that is based on the amount of solute present in the solvent. So, based on the amount of the solute dissolved in the solvent, solutions are classified into three types and are explained below. The first type is the unsaturated solution. It is a solution in which more solute can be dissolved at a given temperature. For example, first we take about 20 milliliter of water in a beaker and add a small amount of salt to it. Mix it thoroughly to dissolve. Then add some more amount of salt and mix it thoroughly. We will find that salt get dissolved. This solution is called a unsaturated solution in which the solute completely dissolved. We can say that the solute completely dissolved in this type of solutions at a given temperature. Moving towards the next type of solution, that is the saturated solution. It is a solution which cannot dissolve more amount of solute at a given temperature. For example, first we take again 20 milliliters of water in a beaker, add a small amount of salt to it and mix it thoroughly. Salt get dissolved. If we go on adding more salt, we will observe that a stage will come when we will not be able to dissolve any more salt into it. We will see some solid salt remaining undissolved. The maximum amount of a solute which can get dissolved in 100 grams of water at a given temperature to obtain a saturated solution is called solubility. So this is a very important term here, that is solubility of that solute. For example, ammonium nitrate. We take about 150 gram of ammonium nitrate that dissolves into 100 gram of water at 20 degrees Celsius. If we increase the temperature to 40 degrees Celsius, now on the same amount of water, that is 100 gram, we get 297 of ammonium nitrate solution that get dissolved in the water now. And if we talk about ammonium sulfate solution at 20 degrees Celsius, only 74.4 gram of it can be dissolved at 20 degrees Celsius in 100 grams of water. So from this table we can learn about the term solubility. We can say that solubility depends on temperature. If you increase the temperature, somehow the solubility of a solute also increases, because on increasing temperature it get more dissolved in 100 grams of water or in the solvent, we can see. Now moving towards super saturated solution. It is a saturated solution in which more solute is made to get dissolved by increasing the temperature, right? For example, a saturated solution of sugar is prepared. This solution is heated at higher temperatures. As a result, more sugar can be dissolved to produce super saturated solutions. But as soon as the solution is removed from the direct heat and begins to get cooled, the extra sugar dissolved can be seen settling at the bottom of the container. You can see here the first example is of unsaturated solution in which the amount of solvent is more than the solute. Hence, we can see there is no solid solute particles visible. In saturated solution, at a given temperature, we dissolve highest amount of a solute. That's why we can see some clear solid particles of solute. But in the super saturated solutions, we dissolve the maximum amount of solute, right? That's why on cooling or on a given temperature, these solute particles get freezed or cooled and can deposit on the walls of the beaker, as you can see here. So these are the three types of solution that are based on the amount of solute dissolved in the solvent. So I hope these three types are clear to you. Thank you.